why remote internships are the future. What if I told you that you don't have to leave your home to get global work experience? Remote internships are transforming the global workforce, and Ethiopia is now catching up with the trend. Across the globe, remote work is no longer just a trend, it's the future. By 2024, nearly 30% of the US workforce is remote, and that number is only growing. Studies show that by 2025, 40% of jobs will be remote. This shift is changing how companies hire and how people work. Yet in Africa, and especially Ethiopia, remote work opportunities are still rare. While the rest of the world embraces this transformation, Ethiopian students face major barriers to accessing these global opportunities. For many students in Ethiopia, pursuing internships abroad is simply out of reach. Financial constraints, limited local opportunities, and the need to relocate make it nearly impossible for most to gain global work experience. But with remote internships, the need for expensive relocations or visas disappears. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This is where Intertechub makes a difference. We don't just connect Ethiopian students with internships, we provide remote internships and specialized training guided by expert mentors. Our goal is to equip students with real-world skills and the knowledge they need to thrive. At Intertechub, students don't just complete tasks. They work closely with industry professionals, collaborate on real-world projects, and build portfolios that are ready for the global job market, all while staying right at your home. By 2030, Africa will have the largest workforce in the world. But without access to global opportunities, many talented individuals will be left behind. Remote internships provide a way to bridge this gap, offering opportunities that are not bound by geography. For Ethiopian students, this means more than just work. It means the chance to learn, grow, and compete on the global stage. At Intertechub, we're building a path to that future by empowering students with the tools they need to succeed in remote jobs and internships. Remote internships are the future. At Intertechub, we're making sure Ethiopian and African students are ready for that future. If you're a student seeking real-world experience or a company looking for talented interns, visit Intertechub today. Let's shape the future of work together. Like and subscribe to our channel to get more information.